We're going to continue today in Siman Zayin in the Kitzur. So the Kitzur is as follows: the Halachos Berchos HaShachar. So the Kitzur is in Sif Aleph. Achar lasuk b'divrei Torah yesh machlokes haposkim im hashomer ya'ana amen olos. Remember again, he's starting off over here in Birchas HaTorah. So remember again, the bracha Birchas Torah, which we're going to speak about extensively. So remember again, it's comprised of multiple parts. So there is a machlokes, he says, if after the bracha of la'asok b'divrei Torah, one should say amen or not. What's the logic? Yesh omrim she'en kansim habracha, ela v'harev gam ki nimshach l'mayla v'hu bracha achos. So some say again, after la'asok b'divrei Torah, that's not the end of the bracha. V'harev na, the next paragraph, ultimately is part of that self-same bracha, and therefore be inappropriate to answer amen after la'asok b'divrei Torah. V'yesh omrim, others explain, tikanu sim habracha, that no, after la'asok b'divrei Torah is in fact the actual end of the bracha. So v'harevna hi bracha acheres etzricha lanos amen. Harevna is its own bracha, and therefore one ideally should answer amen after going ahead and reciting la'asok b'divrei Torah. So what should one do in such a situation like this? Therefore says the Kitzur, v'lachein hamevarech yesh lo lomar bracha zos balachosh shelo yishma chaveiro v'yavo lidei sveika. It's a very interesting idea. He says, therefore, in order to avoid any type of controversy, say it quietly. Say it quietly. In other words, when reciting it, recite it to yourself. That way, again, because you're reciting it quietly to yourself, no one else hears it. Because no one else hears it, they don't have to enter into the issue of whether or not to answer amen. Now, in the footnotes in the Kutei Piskei Teshuvos, he writes over here, however, if you do go ahead and if you do say the bracha out loud and someone else hears it, ultimately it goes to be Akiva Eger, who says that halacha l'maaseh you do say amen ultimately again to the bracha. But interestingly enough, just interesting to note that if you're saying Birchas Torah in shul and there are other people around, so the Kitzur writes it is better to say the bracha of la'asok b'divrei Torah quietly, so as not to put another person in the situation of whether or not they should be answering amen. Okay, shkayach, everyone will stop over for today. Have a great day.